ओके गाइस, आज के वीडियो में मैं दो ऑर्गेनिक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लेता हूँ। पहला क्वेश्चन जो है ये फिनोल और इथाइल आयोडाइड से रिएक्ट करके इथोक्साइड आयन का इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ एनहाइड्रस इथेनॉल प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा, ये है एक्चुअली। ठीक है। अच्छा, द ऑप्शंस आर गिवन हियर। नाउ लेट मी सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दिस फिनोल एज इट इज़ एसिडिक इन नेचर, यहाँ से ये हाइड्रोजन जो है एसिडिक इन नेचर होता है, और ये जो हमारा इथोक्साइड ग्रुप है वो शॉर्ट में लिख लेता हूँ मैं -C2H5 कि ये इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड बेस। ये इथोक्साइड आयन इस H+ आयन को एब्स्ट्रैक्ट कर देता है। तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा, हमें मिलेगा फिनोक्साइड आयन। ठीक है, दिस इज़ द फिनोक्साइड आयन। ये फिनोक्साइड आयन जो है ये एज ए न्यूक्लियोफाइल, दिस इज़, रिमेंबर, this hydroxide ion as base here, remember. Okay, now this phenoxide ion is a good nucleophile. This will act as nucleophile. Okay, nucleophile. So this will attack this carbon atom. It is raining outside, so background sound is I think not so clear, sorry for that. This attacks this carbon atom as nucleophile, and this iodide ion will go out, so we will get this as the product O, and the O will be connected to ethyl group C2H5. So this is ethoxybenzene. Ethoxybenzene will be our product. So in the option A is the correct answer. Okay, let us go to the second question, which is a tricky question, a very good question. Which of the following is the best synthesis of 1-bromo-3-chlorobenzene? So first of all, for this such question, we need to read the question very clearly and check the options also in a very clear way. Now, and in this, to solve this question, we need to know the ortho and the para-directing group and the meta-directing group also, because that is important in this case. Now Cl, first of all, Cl is a meta-directing group, right? Cl is a meta-directing group. Now and this sorry, Cl is not a meta-directing group. I'm very sorry. Cl is ortho and a para-directing group, and the nitro group is a meta-directing group, deactivating group. Okay, Cl is a deactivating, ortho and a para-directing group. Okay, now in this case, bromo and the chloro, they are in 1,3 position, that is in meta position to each other. Therefore, if we start the reaction with Cl, which is an ortho and a para-directing group, we cannot get the answer according to this reagents. Okay, so this cannot be the answer. This cannot be the answer if there is no space here actually. Okay, let me solve the first question. This is you know, Cl, if it is reacted with HNO3, nitration, okay, in presence of H2SO4, okay. Now Cl is a ortho and para-directing group, so nitro group will be attached to the para position. Here nitro will come, okay, and after this reduction of nitro group will take place, HCl with zinc, or we can take SN, or we can take Fe also. Okay, so this nitro will be reduced to NH2. Okay, amine, will get amine, and next is diazotization. This is HNO2 in cold condition. So this NH2 will be converted into Cl, N2Cl, diazonium group. Okay, but in the para position. So if it is reacted with Cu2Br2, diazonium group will be substituted by bromine, this reaction is Sandmeyer reaction. Cl, now this para position, in the para position of Cl we will have bromine. So what we need is 1 bromo 3 chlorobenzene, and in this case we get 1 bromo 4 chlorobenzene. So this cannot be the answer, okay. Now the answer is B. Let me write the answer here. I have given some space also, and since nitro is a meta directing group, chlorination will give, let me write this NO2 in this position so that I have some space. NO2 will be there, and since NO2 is a meta directing group, the incoming electrophile Cl will go to the meta position. So this will be Cl, and NO2 will be reduced to what? NH2, okay. Cl will remain same. Then diazonium will take place, diazotization will take place. NH2 will be converted into N2Cl. Cl will be there, and this N2Cl will be substituted by Br, Sandmeyer reaction, okay. So in this case we get the desired product. So the correct answer is B, not A. Some of the students give the answer as D also, which is not correct, because Br is orthopara directing group. So in the para position of Br will be this one, so we will not get the desired product, okay. So I am giving this two options for you to solve on your own. Thank you for today, and let me introduce myself for those who are new to the channel. I am Dr. Rami Khan. I am a PhD in chemistry from Aligarh Muslim University, and I have taught in Akash Institute also in Mumbai, and right now I am teaching in my own institute in Imphal. I am from Manipur, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share with your friends. Thank you.